Good afternoon, this is Jan. We're back in Hua Hin, in one of the best seafood restaurants around, which is Ketsarin, and this is the view. Here we got Ketsarin shrimp, morning glory, and squid with chili lime sauce. So there's 4 squids in here. They look beautiful. A little bit of lime sauce, chili lime sauce that is. Nice acidity from the lime, beautiful spice, and beautiful squid. I love the texture of squid and the flavor. Grated garlic, okay. There's Chinese cabbage in there as well. I'm a fan of squid. Must be one of my favorite animals. Shrimp is number 1, squid is number 2 of my favorite animals. Number 3 would be lamb, I think. Oh yeah. And of course, for the vegetables we got morning glory. Very tasty and very healthy as well. Sauce. Some more squid. There's a nice looking shrimp from the Ketsarin, the sour curry. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your seafood like I do.